Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your environment so commands work predictably. First, check your Ubuntu version and kernel. This matters for driver compatibility. Once done, switch to a TTY with Control plus Alt plus F3 and login. This avoids desktop conflicts. Make sure sudo is available and update packages so you have the latest fixes. These steps set a clean baseline and prevent permission errors. They also let you install or enable specific drivers without the GUI interfering. Next, focus on drivers and kernel options because brightness control often lives at that layer. Install appropriate GPU drivers using sudo Ubuntu drivers auto-install or choose a recommended package. This can restore hardware controls. If brightness still fails, edit grub with sudo nano /etc/default /grub and append ecp backlight equals vendor or ecp oc equals to grub cmd line Linux. After saving, run sudo update grub and reboot. These kernel parameters tell Linux which ecp interface to use, often fixing unresponsive brightness keys. Finally, if kernel tweaks helped or as a diagnostic, use sysfs to set brightness directly. For example, echo 100 into /sys/class/backlight/**brightness with sudo. If that works, create a small script or udev rule to persist the setting at boot. If hardware methods fail, use xrandr to adjust backlight in software as a temporary fallback. If problems persist, inspect dmesc and zorg logs to find driver errors. These logs guide the next targeted fix and tell you whether to roll back changes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.